Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Can you use PayPal in Amazon? This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now I'm inside the Amazon website right here, and let's just say that I want to buy this specific item. Now it will go ahead and take us to the checkout page right here, and inside we have the payment methods. You have your credit and debit cards, you have other payment plans like Affirm, and basically there is no PayPal inside right here. To make the answer short, you cannot go ahead and directly use PayPal in Amazon, but there is still another way on how you can apply PayPal to Amazon. Basically, you can just go ahead and buy Amazon gift cards that accept PayPal as payment. For example, we have this one inside Donville.com, and as you can go ahead and see, one of the payment methods that they have is PayPal. You can get one of their Amazon gift cards right here and use it inside your PayPal or your Amazon account. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.